Hi, this is Praghadeesh. In this video, I am going to show you how to use relays with Arduino. So the things you need are an Arduino Uno R3 board, a mini breadboard, a single channel relay, LED, connector wires, and a battery holder. So before designing the circuit, it is important to know that the relay can be used in two modes, the normally open mode and the normally closed mode. In the normally open state, when the relay is powered, the switch is closed, and when the relay is not powered, the switch is open. And similarly, in the normally closed state, when the relay is powered, the switch is open, and the relay is not powered, the switch is closed. Most of the relays have the normally open terminal in the left side and the common terminal in the center and the normally closed terminal in the right side. But my relay, due to defect, it is working in an opposite way. I have another 8-channel relay in which the terminals are clearly depicted by a clean diagram. You could see that the left side is normally open and the center is common and the right side is normally closed. Now it's time to work with the circuit. Connect the VCC pin of your relay to the 5V pin in the Arduino board. Connect the ground pin of relay to the ground pin of the Arduino board and connect the input pin of the relay to the pin number 13 in the Arduino, as I am going to use pin number 13 to switch on and off the relay. And now I am connecting an external circuit to the relay so that I could check the working of relay. The connections to relay are as simple as we do in a switch. And I am connecting the positive terminal of the battery to the normally closed terminal, and from the common terminal I am using a wire to connect it to the LED's positive light. And the LED's other end is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, thus making a LED light circuit along with the relay. Now connect Arduino to your computer for programming. Now open Arduino IDE in your computer and create a new program. I am defining pin number 13 as relay, as I am going to use pin number 13 to switch the relay on and off. In the void setup, you need to define whether the pin that you are going to be used is output or input. So pin mode is the keyword to define whether the pin is going to be used as output mode or input mode. Void loop, you need to define when the pin needs to be in high and in low state. In this case, I am going to make the pin to go high and low for every 5-second time interval. So I use a keyword called digital write, which is used to make the pin to go high, and I use the keyword delay to give a time interval of 5 seconds. Here the unit is in microseconds, so I define 5000 microseconds. After the programming, click the verify button to check whether the program is correct and upload it to your Arduino board. Now you could see that the relay goes high and low for every 5 seconds as we programmed in the Arduino IDE. You could also see when the relay is not powered, the switch is closed, and when the relay is powered, the switch is open.